The conditional formatting feature allows you to apply a format to a text box based upon a condition. In this example, I want to be able to apply the format red and maybe also bold to any price that's $25 or less, to remind the front-end user that there's going to be an additional shipping charge or extra shipping charge for those purchases that, again, are $25 or less. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and right-click, go to the design view of the form, and then you can see it's a form within a form. This is the subform. Let me come in here, click on it once to select the subform, click on the price each field, because that's the field I want to apply my conditional formatting to. And then come up here, click on the Format tab, go to the Control Formatting group, click on Conditional Formatting, click on the New Rule, and then it says Format only cells where the field value is between, let's say it's got to be less than or equal to $25. And then what formatting do we want? We can make it, click on the drop down arrow, red, also bold, underline, italics, in any case you get the idea. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Click OK again, and let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. Right click the tab, go to the form view. There we go. That's under 25. So it'll signal the front end user, somebody calls in to make an order, and they go, hey, I want to order a fanny pack. Is there free shipping? You could say no. Because it's $25 or less, shipping charges will apply. Now if that doesn't grab their attention, because maybe they're not always looking at the price, I mean, it's hard to miss, but in any case, if you've got other fields here that you would also like to apply the conditional formatting to, that's based upon this condition, where it has to be less than or equal to $25, because you can't, well, theoretically apply it to this one because that's a text field. But let me show you the backdoor approach. Let's go ahead and right-click, go to the design view, go ahead and click to select the subform, and then click to select the product text box. Let's go ahead and come up here to the Format tab, to the Control Formatting group, click on Conditional Formatting, and then click on the New Rule button. And then we're going to click on the drop-down arrow and create an expression. And the expression is going to be pointing to the price each field. So even though we selected the product field, we're saying don't look at the product field, look at the price each field. And if you see over there that field for this record is less than or equal to $25, then go ahead and apply that formatting to the product field. Okay, so here's the expression. We're looking in the objects, and what object are we looking at? It's the forms. There we go, the forms. And it says within the forms, what form are you looking at? It's the form categories, which we're currently in, form categories. So we're just pointing it back to itself. And then in the form categories, what are we looking at in that form? Well, we're looking at the subform, the form within the form. And there it is, F sub products. That's the form that's inside this form. So we're looking at this form inside the subform that's within this form. And then once we're inside that subform, what field are we looking at to compare, to set the condition up? Is going to be the price each field. And it has to be less than or equal to 25. Now remember, the equals always has to be on the right-hand side. It can't be equal to or less than, otherwise you're going to get an error. So what's going to be the formatting? If the price each field for the products field equals that, it's going to be, well, I like red. We can make it italics and bold. That's fun. Click Okie dokie. Click OK. Let's take it for a test drive. Go ahead and right-click, go to the form view, and hey, there we go. So like I said, we had the product field. Instead of saying, okay, let's create a condition for that field because it's a text field, we said, just look at this field. And if it's less than or equal to 25, then go ahead and apply the formatting. So we went around it by looking at another field to apply the same formatting that's been applied to this field, writing an expression to apply it to this field as well. Let's go ahead and click Next, Next, or let's go ahead and look at Fort Tent or some other category here. And so far, well, there we go. The only one that has it $25 and less looks like Tiki Torch here in the Tiki Torch category and the Fanny Pack in the accessories category. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.